the chart that they have, that they created, the chart that has the steps for you to bring heaven to your home. I still have that in my refrigerator, and we do go to that chart, and we do follow at least one of the recommendations or the practical tips to build that community in Christ in our home. And like, for example, like Mario and I, we have that weekly meeting together, and we go through like what's going on in our family. Like we have to look at that chart in our refrigerator to remind us these are the things that help us grow in Christ in our family and be, the domestic church, and be an example to others in our family and our parish too.